Hello, YouTube, it's your boy, the Crazy Trader, and I'm here again with your favorite stock review. Like I always say, scared money don't make no money, and you always got to risk it to get the biscuit. Guys, let's jump right into it, okay? IVR. Were we wrong? Was I wrong? Were you wrong? Yes, we were wrong. Yes, I was wrong. Yes, you were wrong. We bought this hoping that the market will come back up, like the tech market did come back up. After COVID, a lot of the stocks tanked and they were really bad. And the REITs market also really tanked. And we all bought into it, hoping that it will come back up, hoping that it will maintain their dividend that we're paying out, hoping that a lot of things will go as planned, as humanly possible that we had in our minds. It didn't go that way. Were we wrong? Yes, we were wrong in buying the stock because it didn't go as it was planned. But guess what? On the opposite spectrum, if it had gone as planned, everybody would have thought we were geniuses. You know what I mean? It is always impossible until it is done. So, big institutions like Melvin Capital, they blew up their account 8, 10, 12 billion in like what, a week. So who are we that a few stocks that we bought and we're expecting it to go up didn't go up? I believe, yes, I was wrong to a point. I still haven't sold this company though. I haven't sold this stock. Look at my average cost, $32.66. At the point it was $38. I started buying recently when I felt that the market has stabilized for this stock so I can, start getting into it. So I started buying recently. I just had 300 shares of it. The 300 shares, I maintained 300 shares for the past 2 years. I just bought this 54 shares just this year. So I just started buying IVR because I believe, it has stabilized and it's doing pretty well. Look at my total return, 73% of this stock. I've lost $8,472. That's a lot of money. It might not be a lot of money to you, but it is a lot of money to me. Um, why haven't I sold? If I sell it, then of course, I know that I've taken the loss of 8 grand, 8,400. If I sell it, I know I've taken the loss. It's still giving me dividends. I got, $120. One of the reasons why I didn't buy was because they cut their dividends into half. I used to get $240 and now it's $120. So I stopped buying into it. And now the 120 has been stabilized for a long time now. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna keep the 120 for a while. And I saw this, recently while reading and researching into IVR. It says buy this read while it's on sale. So it's about IVR and other stuff. I'm not going to go into it and read it, but we buy the fear and we sell the rumors. So we are now still buying the fear and selling the rumors. For a while, I wasn't reinvesting my dividends, but I've started reinvesting my dividends now. So you can see I limit buy in April. I bought 13 shares. I reinvested my dividends. I started buying recently. Let's just look at the numbers of IVR a little bit, just the numbers of what we think is going. I went to Yahoo Finance. I looked at it. We always like the institutional holdings to be 51%. No, it's 42.83%. Real bad. It's not up to the capacity that I like it, but I'm already in the shares. I'm already in the stock. I think it's stabilizing, so I'm still gonna buy. Shares held by all insiders, 0.22%. This is not even 5%. The insiders don't have nothing. They don't have skin in the game. So it's sad, but hey, we're in it already. Your normal, institutional holders, BlackRock, Vanguard, Geo, State Street, all these people, Morgan Stanley, it shows you the percentage that they have. But I want to go show you something. I normally like the Nasdaq, the way they show their institutional holders, because it tells you the percentages and everything, whether they are still selling, whether they are buying, whatever they are doing, it tells you what they are doing. So institutional ownership is 40.77. Yeah, there's always that plus one, minus one, in there. Let's go down there. Let's go to the positions. Look at this. I'll show you something very fascinating. In the last quarter, right? BlackRock sold 36.9, so let's say 37% of the shares that they held. 37%. That's a lot. That's almost half of their shares. They sold it. Same for Vanguard. Vanguard also sold 35%. Almost half of it, they're out of the shares. Geo bought 13 more percent. State Street, 35%, they were out. This Jupiter Asset Management, they increased their position by 200%, which is okay. Look at Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley also sold 15%. Like, a lot of these big financial institutions are getting out of the stock. Really sad, but that's it. I say you buy the fear and then you sell the rumors, of course. So now that people are panicking and running out of it, it's time to start accumulating little by little. And when by the time they come back, I would have reduced my average share price, and hopefully it will do well. And hopefully they also raise their dividends, which will help me out. I wanted to let it. I don't wanted to let us see the insider market, what the insiders are doing, and the insiders are doing nada. I mean nothing. They are not buying, they are not selling. The last time there was a direct sale, the direct sale was in 2002. That was the last time there was a direct sale. The rest, yeah, all of them are very indirect acquisition um, positions. The direct sale was in 2002, December 2002, when the director sold 1,600 shares. That's it. Nothing has been happening for this share. It's been very dormant, but it's okay. We will keep looking at it. We will keep reassessing it, and hopefully, I'm able to lower my stock price. Hopefully, the dividend is able to go up, and hopefully we are able to come back to where we want to be. We were wrong, but we still hold our heads high. Okay, I'll let you go, and I hope that our plans and our dreams come through. Anyways, stay blessed and stay safe. I'm out. Peace.